our focus to what is to transpire in Maharashtra very soon. Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is slated to visit Pune today itself and launch projects worth rupees 29,000 crore. PM Modi will be inaugurating an underground metro corridor connecting the Civil Court area to Swargate. Now, this development is a significant step in boosting connectivity and the urban transport infrastructure in the city in particular. But apart from this, the Prime Minister will also be laying the foundation stone for the extension of the metro corridor, and with that, work on phase 1 of the metro corridor will be completed. He will in fact also lay the foundation stone for the much anticipated industrial park in Bidkin that covers an area of 7,855 acres. He's also going to lay the foundation stone for a much anticipated memorial at Bidewara, which is a historic site where Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule established India's first school for girls. The Prime Minister will also dedicate to the nation 3 Param Rudra supercomputers that are worth around rupees 130 crores. These have been developed indigenously under the National Supercomputing Mission itself. These computers incorporate the latest cutting-edge hardware and software technologies, and a significant portion of its components are manufactured and in fact assembled in India itself. But apart from this, the Prime Minister will also launch and dedicate to the nation various initiatives in the petroleum and natural gas sector, which amount to rupees 10,400 crores. But that is not all. The Prime Minister will in fact also be launching and inaugurating and laying the foundation stone for the Solapur airport, which is of course yet another significant bid to improve connectivity, making Solapur more accessible to tourists, business travelers and investors. The existing terminal building of Solapur has been revamped to serve around 4.1 lakh passengers annually. Apart from this, several EV charging facilities will also be launched by the Prime Minister to facilitate a smooth transition to green energy, decarbonization and net zero emission, and also reducing the range anxiety of electric vehicle drivers. This is all being done at an estimated cost of rupees 1,500 crores. With us live on the broadcast is my colleague Pratmesh to share more details. Pratmesh, a power-packed visit of the Prime Minister today to Pune. Several infrastructure projects worth 29,000 crore rupees are going to be launched. Take our viewers through the schedule that is in fact the itinerary of the Prime Minister today.
Yes, correct. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to reach in Pune within some time, and he is going to inaugurate different types of project, whether it's a metro project which has been now getting to the Pune. He is going to show the green flag over there to the metro, so that the metro can run over there and the people can use that metro as the connection of the between the two cities can be also done by that metro as well. So that's why this is a really big project which has been launched in the Pune as well. The metro, the connectivity will also the increase within the Pune as well. So this is really a big project. First, this is the big project which is PM Modi is going to wave off the green flag to the metro. Second will be the big project as the Solapur airport is also now getting the launch. He is also launching the Solapur airport, where and this will increase the tourists to go to Solapur, as well as this is really a good project to increase the connectivity between the cities of the Maharashtra as well, because the tourists will also increase, the tourism will also increase to the Solapur. And also the PM Modi is also inaugurating the few and the different schemes as well for the people as well in that. And also he is also going to do a big rally over there in the Pune, and he is going to speak to the people over there in the Pune, as well as we have seen just behind the Maharashtra Assembly elections. Now Prime Minister Narendra Modi is coming to Maharashtra, as well as we have seen before also the Palghar visit, then Wardha visit, and now PM Modi today he is coming to Pune. So this visit is really important as we look around, like in few days the Maharashtra Assembly election are also going to be announced, and this visit is really important for the Maharashtra Assembly election, as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit has also been increased in Maharashtra. If I talk about it, whether it's Palghar, whether it's Wardha, whether it's now the Pune, now it's time for the Pune, that Pune is going to get the few of the scheme. He is going to launch the crores of scheme which he is going to launch today in the Pune, as well as his as around the sources it's been said that around 29,000 crores today the launch of the projects will be done by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When this launching will be done, the CM of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde, whether and also the Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy CM Ajit Pawar is also going to be present with him also while this launching of the scheme. Yes.
Indeed, and one very crucial aspect of all the projects that are going to be launched are the three Rudraparam supercomputers. These are indigenously developed by India itself, marking a significant leap as far as our technological capabilities are concerned. Prathamesh, if you can tell our viewers a little bit about this.
Yes, correct. As India is getting into the technology, and technology needs to be more powerful, so now Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Pune is also going to inaugurate that as well, because now the computers are playing the as a crucial role in current generation. As if I talk about the AI, this is the information technology which in the IT sector as well the computers are playing the biggest role now. So this is for to look forward around this all the currently which has been all the crucial projects. So this is a really crucial project which is going to be also launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today in the Pune, as although India is going to the IT sector. IT sector is getting developed. So to develop the IT sector, this is really a big movement from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to launch this type of schemes, as well as these schemes give a different boost to economy as well. If I talk about the economy is getting also the boost in this. So all these projects are now getting launched today in the Pune, as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi will soon reach Pune, and also he will inaugurate there the different type of projects. Yes.
Indeed, Prathamesh, with that I would like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details. Meanwhile, viewers, we're shifting our focus to further development